Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Sometimes, if you select delete, the files will go to the recycle bin. You can right-click restore. Then the files will be returned to their original location. However, if you press Shift plus Delete, the shortcut removes a file permanently and the file will bypass the recycle bin. In this video, I'll show you 4 ways to recover Shift plus deleted files on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Method 1. Restore previous versions. If file history or system protection was enabled before the file was deleted, you may be able to restore. Step 1. Right-click the folder and choose Properties. Step 2. Select Restore Previous Versions. Step 3. Choose an available version and click Restore. This method only works if Windows created backups beforehand. Method 2. Use Backup and Restore Windows also includes a built-in backup feature. It allows you to recover shift-deleted files from previously created backup. Step 1. Type Control Panel in the search bar. Step 2. Click System and Security. Step 3. Select Backup and Restore. Step 4. Choose Restore My Files. Then select Browse the folder. Browse available backups from there. Restore your deleted files. Click Next and choose the location to save your folder and click Restore. This method works well if you've regularly backed up your computer. Method 3. Check cloud backups. If you enable Google Drive, your files may still be available online. Step 1. Open Google Drive and sign in with your account. Step 2. Click My Drive. Step 3. Find the backup and download it from Google Drive. Method 4. Recover Shift plus deleted files with iToolab RecoverGo. If you don't have any backups available, then your best option is professional recovery software. Step 1. Launch RecoverGo and select the drive where your files were deleted. Click Search for lost data. Step 2. RecoverGo will perform scanning and search for recoverable files. After the scan is complete, you can preview the recovered files. For example, you can preview photos before recovering them. Select the files you want and click Recover. Choose a different location to save the recovered files. Then you can check the recoverable files. Your deleted files will be restored in just a few clicks. That's all for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.